To qualify for membership in the Pharmaceutical Society of Uganda, candidates must have completed a Bachelor of Pharmacy degree from a recognized university or institution. Additionally, they are required to have secured at least 2 principal passes at A-level in core science subjects, chemistry, biology, and physics. A critical part of the registration process is the payment of a fee set at 250,000 Uganda shillings for Ugandan nationals and $200 for international applicants. However, a new wave of discontent is rising among pharmacy students across the country. Today, over 100 pharmacy students from various institutions in Uganda have formally petitioned Parliament, challenging the legality and fairness of the mandatory pre-internship examination administered by PSU. They cite exorbitant fees, lack of transparency, and a bureaucratic process as key issues, undermining the quality and accessibility of pharmaceutical training in Uganda.
Hereby petition the unlawful imposition of the pre-internship examination by the Pharmaceutical Society of Uganda, and we submit this petition in pursuit of fairness, legal compliance, and professional integrity in the pharmaceutical training and internship process.
Besides being given a pre-internship examination, they maintain that they are charged exorbitant fees, where a candidate is required to pay over 300,000 Uganda shillings for pre-registration alongside the examination fees, which sometimes causes a hindrance for some students to sit for the examination, resulting in dropouts.
A candidate is required to pay 360,000 shillings to sit for a pre-registration and 260,000 shillings to sit for pre-internship.
The students requested Pharmaceutical Society of Uganda to abolish the pre-internship examinations, maintaining the conduct of the qualifying exams, among other requirements.
First, PSU should only provide for the conduct of the qualifying exams, for membership of the society, or for registration as pharmacist as mandated, and this should actually be administered by the pharmacy board. This registration body of pharmacists, that is the registration body of pharmacists, and immediately, I speak this with firmness, immediately abolish the illegal pre-internship exams.
Mbale Ambrose claims there is a failure to provide quality service in the country's pharmaceutical sector due to the bureaucratic nature of the system.
As per the World Health Organization, at least one pharmacist should service 2,000 citizens. But currently in Uganda, we have one pharmacist that is working upon 22,000 citizens, which is already causing need for duly qualified pharmacists, but we are failing to have such and good competition in the health sector and the pharmaceutical sector because of bureaucratic overreach.
Honorable Boniface Okot, who represented the students, asserted that the petition would be relayed to Parliament, provided it followed the official petition process.
There are also requirements by the rules of procedure on the timelines for processing petitions. Because when it goes to the business committee, there is need for further guidance by the Right Honourable Speaker of Parliament on whether this petition shall be handled by a specific committee or a select committee. And on the basis of that, this petition then will find its way in the Parliament.
A total of 100 students from different institutions across the country signed the petition in agreement to abolish the pre-internship examinations that hinder their progress as pharmacy students.